Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chemical properties of metals, means how a metal reacts. Metal कैसे react करता है? Metal can react with oxygen. It also reacts with water, acids, bases, and some metal salts as well. First of all, we will discuss the reaction with oxygen. Means metal can react with oxygen or or air to form metal oxide. Metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. Example, sodium Na reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide. What is the formula of sodium oxide? Na2O. See, valency of sodium is 1, valency of oxygen is 2. We will cross multiply to obtain the formula of sodium oxide, that is Na2O. Similarly, potassium reacts with oxygen to form potassium oxide. Valency of potassium is 1 and that of oxygen is 2, that we wrote here. Now see, sodium and potassium react very vigorously with oxygen that they may catch fire. So they are always kept stored in kerosene oil. One question comes that why sodium and potassium are kept in kerosene oil? Then the answer will be sodium and potassium react very vigorously, that their reactions are explosive and may catch fire, so they are always kept in kerosene oil. Next, copper reacts with oxygen to form copper oxide. See, valency of copper is +2 and oxygen is -2. It cancels out. The formula becomes CuO. It is black in color. Aluminium reacts with oxygen to form Al2O3, aluminium oxide. Again, valency of aluminium is 3, that is written here, and that of oxygen is 2, that is written here. So it forms aluminium oxide. Then magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. These three metals react with oxygen to form a layer of protective oxide on them. Now, when metal reacts with oxygen, it forms metal oxide, which is basic in nature. Why the metal oxides are basic in nature? Because when these metal oxides are put in water, they form bases or alkalis. What is the alkali? That contain the OH group, that we have done in acid, bases and salts chapter. Base is a substance that contain OH group. So metal oxides are basic in nature because when they are put in water, they form hydroxides or bases. Similarly, potassium oxide when reacts with water form potassium hydroxide. Next is reaction with water. Now see, metal reacts with water to form metal hydroxide or metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Whenever metal reacts with water, hydrogen gas is liberated out. That forms bubbles in the beaker. Now see, different metals react differently with water. Sodium, being very reactive metal, reacts vigorously with cold water only. It reacts with cold water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Similarly, potassium also reacts with oxygen to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Calcium reacts with water, cold water, to form calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen. How calcium hydroxide is formed? Calcium, its valency is 2, hydroxide valency -1, cross multiply. This valency comes here. So it forms calcium oxide. Similarly, magnesium oxide is formed. But magnesium does not react with cold water as it is less reactive. So it reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide. Formula same ऐसे ही बनेगा plus hydrogen because valency of magnesium is also 2. Then aluminium, zinc and iron. These metals do not react with water, neither with cold water nor with hot water, but they react with steam. मतलब ये किससे react करते हैं? भाप से react करते हैं. ऐसे ही ये water से react नहीं करते. Now see, aluminium reacts with steam to form aluminium oxide plus hydrogen gas. See, hydrogen gas is released in all the cases, but in these three cases metal hydroxide is not formed, but what is formed? Metal oxide. Similarly, zinc react with steam to form zinc oxide plus hydrogen gas. Iron, red hot iron, reacts with steam to form iron oxide and hydrogen gas. This reaction is very important from the examination point of view. So we can conclude that sodium, potassium and calcium react with cold water to form hydroxides, whereas magnesium react with hot water to form hydroxide. But these three metals react with steam to form oxides and hydrogen gas. Thank you.